Hello, Thomas. This is our um, test fixture or power head that we're going to be sending you so that you can check your boards. I have your current board that you sent to us connected up to it. Um, what we're sending back has a prototype power board which will work fine for this test fixture. We have hooked into it a motor, the power cord from the power board there, as well as the S and the B that goes down to the other terminals down there. We also have a water meter hooked up to it, and the encoder is plugged in to our optical encoder. You can see the little encoder board there, and let's see if we can get an angle here. You can see the optical encoder disc inside of there a little bit. And then we also have the Tweedo switch, which is a micro switch over here on this side that runs, once you get it, you'll see pretty clearly it runs off a cam in order to turn that on and off, that switch. And then the motor, the Tweedo motor, and if I just turn this around, you can see on the back side the two motors there. The motor on the right here is the valve motor that runs the valve. So this motor here. The motor on the left runs, that's a Tweedo motor that runs another, what we call a brine valve, and that motor drives a cam underneath there which depresses a brine valve in order to open and close that brine valve. That brine valve gets, well, in the tables it tells you when that needs to be opened and closed. So that's just a quick summary of what we will be sending you. This test fixture, again, we'll send you 1 meter, but you can move this meter, technically you can move the meter over the salt sensor in order to test the salt sensor port, but you could also just, as I showed you before, just short the outside pins together, and that will also cause either the meter or the salt sensor to count. Here I also have made up just a couple LEDs on the end of wires that I plug into the S and the B on the power board, and that allows me to check whether the S and B are working when if those light up when they should, according to the programming, which all that is in the specification. So hopefully that helps you. We'll send this out today, and hopefully you'll have it before too long. Thanks, Thomas. Bye.